Debits on the left and credits on the right.
This class is really difficult to understand and I'm finding it boring. I'm considering dropping the course.
Don't. Have you tried Farhat Lectures?
Farhat Lectures? What is that?
It is a supplementary educational resource that includes lectures, practice questions, and exercises, all organized by course and chapter.
Will they cover this course?
Absolutely. They cover all accounting courses. I used Farhat resources for my Introductory Financial and Managerial accounting classes, and now I'm using them for all my advanced classes.
Do they cover intermediate accounting?
Definitely. They cover intermediate accounting, cost accounting, auditing, tax, advanced, government and not-for-profit, as well as finance courses. Here's the link.
Oh, thank you.
Make sure to subscribe and connect with Farhat on LinkedIn.
You're a lifesaver. I'll share with others.
Go ahead, start your free trial today. No obligation, no credit card required.